Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use conditional statement. First, let's go to our inner index HTML file, remove this and this, and type bar age equals 15, then bar result, then type if age is less than to 18, and type then result is equals to less than age, else result greater than age. Then type document dot write result. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. When you change this age to 22, 25, save it, and it's greater than the age. And that's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.